In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a GIF into a PowerPoint presentation. Whether you're enhancing your presentation with a touch of humor or trying to make a point stand out with a bit of animated flair, adding a GIF can truly elevate your slides to the next level. Let's walk through the process together step by step so this task becomes a breeze whenever you need it. First things first, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you're already in the midst of another task, go ahead and switch gears now. PowerPoint can usually be found in your list of programs, and once it's open, let's proceed to find the specific presentation you're working on. If you haven't started a presentation yet, you might want to create a new one or choose an existing template to get you started. Find your presentation in the list of recent documents or navigate your folders to open it directly. Once your presentation is ready to go, direct your attention to the top of the window. You'll notice several tabs. Click on the Insert tab. This tab is your gateway to adding all sorts of elements to your slides, from images and text boxes to charts and videos. Our focus today, however, will be on inserting a GIF, so make sure you're all set on the appropriate slide where you want this fun and dynamic element to appear. In the Insert tab, you'll see various options. Look for the Pictures button. This allows PowerPoint to access images from your computer. Go ahead and give that button a click. You should see a window pop up that lets you browse through the files on your computer. Now here's where you want to locate your GIF. If you don't already have a GIF ready, you might want to download one from a reputable site. Once you've got your GIF handy, place it somewhere that's easy to find, like your desktop or a designated project folder. With the file browser window open, navigate through your files until you find the GIF you want to use. Click on the GIF file and then hit Insert. Boom. Just like that, your GIF should appear on your chosen slide. You'll notice that it starts animating immediately, making your slide that much more engaging. Before wrapping up, take a moment to adjust the size and position of your GIF. Click and drag its corners to resize and move it around to find the perfect spot. Make sure it doesn't obstruct any important text or images. And there you have it. You've successfully added a GIF to your PowerPoint presentation. Practice this a few times and inserting GIFs will soon become second nature. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.